Are we doing the strawberry Dr. Pepper?
Yes.
Yes.
So here's the deal. And I know this one is kind of old. So if you haven't tried this, he hit me with the chair when he got up. Okay. So this one it went viral a couple months ago because Dr. Pepper released a strawberries and cream version of Dr. Pepper. And I couldn't find it anywhere. And I was wanting to try this and I couldn't find it. And we finally got our hands on the strawberry Dr. Pepper. So,
any idea on the ratios?
No idea on the ratios. So I'm gonna go with.
Let's go with our standard.
Yeah. So we're gonna do an ounce of Tequila Rose. Jeez, what's happening here?
An ounce of Tequila.
An ounce of Tequila Rose.
And then just pour as much of that toe jam stuff over it.
Yes, I believe that's how his father described this. Toe jam. This stuff is good. Have you guys tried the Tequila Rose yet? I know it's been out for a while, but the smell of this is like strawberry Nesquik to me.
Does it smell like tequila?
No, not to me. Sniff it. Ooh, it doesn't smell like tequila.
It smells like
baby. How much of this do you think I should pour in?
Frankenberry that somebody left out and the milk went bad and
That's not true. It's delicious.
I'm gonna go about 4 ounces.
That looks gross.
Well, you gotta show them. It's doing something interesting.
It's reacting.
Oh God.
That looks like a root beer.
Babe.
Maybe you pour too much. Maybe you gotta let it settle. I guess I'll try that.
I can't explain that.
Okay.
It's like Crunchberry's milk.
Frankenberry.
No, Crunchberries. Like the Crunchberries only cereal.
Oh, yeah. From like Oh, yes.
That's what that is. That's interesting.
That's delicious.
Yeah, it's very foamy. I think it curdled.
Well, it's going down anyways.
Look at the consistency at the bottom of that.
It looks like cream soda.
Ugh.
Maybe we poured too much soda.
Ugh. It's super duper sweet.
I think that's really good.
Oh. Going back to my Sprite.
I think that's really good.
Wow.